She really can act so strange. I know she will never change. Then maybe she means the world to. Very fine girl, what a name, woman. Oburun ke good character, what a no highest. If I'm bully choro, don't worry. Me come back and get away so good. True to God, man, no give. Udaro be a mamu, udaro be a mamu. Ibu go mamu, udaro be a mamu. Ota bili bili no be, udaro be a mamu. Love na banisi, udaro be a mamu.
Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abiola once again. It's been a while, guys, forgive me. I actually thought I was going to be able to do like vlogmas, but I couldn't. Forgive me, guys, but I will try as much as I can to put out content for you guys, though this is like the very busy period of the year for me because of work, but I'll try to put out content. So today I decided to carry you guys along with me to the beach. So we organized a get together at the office, which we are taking to the beach. And guys, will you believe that it's been close to 10 years, if not more than 10 years, that I've been to the beach? Like, I can't believe it. So, and you know, it's good to take out time sometimes to have fun. It's good to take out time, have fun. Like, we can't just be walking, especially for working moms. We can't just be walking around the clock. It's good to take out time, you know, just have fun, just chill. So I'm almost at the office now. That's where we're all linking up before we head out to the beach. So I'll see you guys probably when we get to the beach. See you guys. Talk to you soon. You can tell I'm so excited, right? Hi guys, so I'm at the office now. I can't believe I'm the first person to get here. Like, I'm the first person to get here, and I was rushing because our takeoff time was supposed to be 7:30. Initially it was supposed to be 7, so we the moms, we pleaded that they should give us till like 8 a.m. or we should be here at the office by 7:30 since we are all moving from the office. Yeah, so yeah, I think it's almost 8 now, and I just got here like a few minutes ago, and I'm still the only one. Can you believe that? So even every other person is still on the road. I guess it's traffic because it's Saturday morning, so yeah. I'm at the office now, so I'm just waiting for every other person. I love this mic. I think I got it at where did I get it? Was it Red Tag? I can't remember. But definitely, no, I think I got this from Pep. Then I got this dress from one of the Instagram vendors I just saw online, and the lady was able to deliver. It's custom made though, so she was able to deliver for me within 2 days. Yes, I think within 2 days she was able to deliver. So yeah, I'll be showing you what it looks like when we get to the beach, the full outfit. I'll be showing you when we get to the beach. So this is my outfit of the day, and this is my wig. See how your color is popping. See how your color is popping. We're getting
iLiveNG.com.
Chukwu nyere m ya, ọ bụ nke m, nke m, nke a bụ nke m, nke m, nke m, nke m, nke m, nke m, ọ bụ nke m, ihe bụ nke mmadụ ya nakwala ya, ọ bụkwanụ Chukwu nyere m ya, ọ bụ nke m, nke m, nke a bụ nke m, nke m, nke m, nke m, nke m, nke m, ihe bụ nke mmadụ ya nakwala ya, ọ bụkwanụ Chukwu nyere m ya, ọ bụ nke bụ nke m, nke a bụ nke m. Your face, you better make you close your eyes. What are they finding level? You get in size. If you carry hammer, babe, nah, extra large. The money you go pay, nah, extra charge. You go chop up more, extra. The wahala go extra, extra. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. High current, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. High current, high maintenance. If you carry hammer, babe, nah, extra large. The money you go pay, nah, extra charge. You go chop up more, extra. The wahala go extra, extra. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance.
iLiveNG.com.
Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. High current, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. High current, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. High current, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. Hammer babes, high current, full offshore. Extra package, high maintenance. High current, high maintenance.
highlifeng.com.
Love and money, now brother and sister. Anytime you see them, they must. Very fine girl, what an ebo famu. Oburu nke good character, what an highest. If I bully choro, don't worry, me yagi. Come back and get away so good, true to God, man, no give. Udaro be a mamu, udaro be a mamu. Ibugo pamu, udaro be a mamu. Otabili bili no be, udaro be a mamu. Love na panisi, udaro be a mamu. Never my ATM card, where ya? Anything you like, ije goluya. Obupana makage, kamja bambo.
highlifeng.com.
I will die for you.
highlifeng.com.
I don't care where she is, where she's been, what she's done. I don't care who she is, what she had, where she's from. Say what you'd like to keep us apart. I really don't care. All I know is I care for her. I care for her. She's the one that I love, that I need in my life. She's so lovely and sweet. I'm complete in her love. You can say anything you like. I really don't care. All I know is I care for her. I care for her. All I know is I care for her.
highlifeng.com.
You can